This distinctive Crown offers standout looks, spacious comfort, a deluxe interior, and all-weather traction. Its impressive suite of driver assist tech, infotainment features, and hybrid fuel efficiency create an unbeatable blend of smart practicality and stylish luxury. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: Apple CarPlay and/or Android Auto, panoramic roof, navigation system, keyless entry, backup camera, satellite radio, power passenger seat, heated mirrors, dual zone AC, power driver seat. Feel relaxed and confident on every journey in this remarkable Crown. Treat yourself to a test drive today. Our staff will toss you the keys and give you an outstanding customer experience.